Apple iPad mini. Buy for. Good performance, iOS 7 more portable than regular iPad. Beware of. No expandable storage, more expensive than other 7-inch tablets. Verdict. For users who wanted an iPad but refrained from buying one due to its bigger size, the iPad mini is a good option. The feature-packed tablet is more affordable than its bigger sibling 2. Compact-sized iPad. Display, processor and OS. The iPad mini is the first compact edition of the iPad. It sports a 7.9-inch LED backlit IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. Though it's 0.9-inch larger than standard 7-inch tablets, it offers 35% more surface area, 50% more browsing area in portrait mode and 67% more in landscape mode, in comparison to other tablets of the same size. The iPad mini is just 7.2mm thick and weighs 308 grams. Underneath the hood lies an Apple A5 chipset consisting of a dual-core 1 GHz Cortex-A9 processor and 512 MB of RAM camera and storage. The tablet packs in a 5MP rear camera with features like geotagging, touch to focus, face detection, full HD recording and video stabilization. It also features a 1.2MP front camera which can record videos in 720p and can be used for FaceTime too. Internal storage is just 16 GB, and there is no microSD card slot for expansion either. Connectivity. The base model of the iPad mini offers Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS and USB 2.0. Battery life is around 10 hours. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.